This is Christopher Hoover, and today I'll be showing you how to use the Alaris pump to set up an IV piggyback. So we have an order for 100 milliliters per hour of normal saline, and our IV piggyback is cefazolin 2 grams and 50 milliliters given at 100 milliliters per hour. So now I put it in the patient. Guardrails, normal saline, yes. Rate is 100 per hour. Bag is 1,000 milliliters. And start. Unclamp this part and watch it drip. Now I have the IV piggyback. Now I'm going to swab the IV port. 15 seconds. And I'll hit pause. Okay, I need to clear the line. The primary infusion bag. Okay, channel select. Secondary, we have cefazolin, 2,000 milligrams per 50 milliliters. Yes. And next, our rate is 100 milliliters per hour. Okay. I'm going to unclamp it. I've made labels for when the IV tubing needs to be changed, which is going to be in 96 hours. We started it at 1400 hours. I also wrote my name on it. I'm going to do it for both IV tubings. I made labels showing the date and the time I started the infusion and the patient's name and my initials. And I'm going to put them on both the primary infusion bag and the IV piggyback. We're all finished.